So real quick video today. Today we're trying out the new B&B Competition Char-logs from B&B. Today we're going to do a tri-tip roast over on the Weber Kettle Grill. Going right there. I just started these and I've been playing around with the best way to start them. And this time, since they have a hole down the middle, I put them on end. I kind of tilted my chimney over and kind of stacked them in there like logs. Started that with part of the bag with a little bit of oil on it and or vegetable oil on it, and they're really doing great. So just a minute. And one thing good about them, I'm gonna show this in a minute, that you don't even need for your indirect setup. I've taken my baskets, they're sticking out there to the side, I've taken them out because these things, they stay in a big log. So they're starting really good right now. I'm going to go ahead and get them on the Weber, get that thing preheating, and we'll get our tri-tip all seasoned up. Alright, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and just load up one side of the grill. There. It's back over here. Now we can kind of, all that charcoal is going to kind of stay in one place, hopefully. Pile them up over there to the side, just like that. Go ahead and make that call right now. I'm going to go ahead and grab the grill wood. Go ahead and grab just one chunk. Throw it off over to the side. That's oak. And I like to put my grill grates, I know you can't get to the fire this way, but I like to put my grill grates where it conducts the heat away from my indirect. Gives you better grill marks, I think. So let's get the lid on. I'll let that joker come right down. Time for the meat to go on. Side there. Simple seasoning. Montreal steak seasoning, very good liberal coating of it. Got all I got. Tri-tip going fat side down, indirect. Got a really nice smoke going on, holding about 250. This is what I want for this part of the cook. We can walk away from that for a little while. Come back and check on it in about maybe 45 minutes. So it's been an hour or so, and I've been smelling this beautiful wood smell coming off this thing, and it's looking pretty awesome. Just took its temperature. It's about 120, somewhere around there, internal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come down here, open that fire all the way up. I'm probably just going to take the lid off for a little while. Let those char-logs come up to temp and get blazing. I'm a serious guy off, and it'll be done. Nice sear on that fat side right off of that flaming log. Have to always use your batch to go right down through there. I try to spread those out a little while ago. Kind of a fail. Don't worry about getting the ashes on your batch. It's gonna make your stuff tastes even better. You do want to keep that moving around over that open flame though. So right now the internal temp's about where we want it. We're just trying to get that fat seared. And that's that one oak log we had in there. You see it looks a lot like the char-logs from B&B. if it's flaming. Couple of minutes, going in there, getting her off, bring it over to the platter, let that rest. Put this lid back on. Smoky Mountain or Weber Kettle Grill, right there. So hopefully all to see with this light out here today. Reflections. Thickest part 125, 126. That's going to carry over. Hopefully be a nice medium rare. So that's the way I like it.
I know that grill smells so good, don't it?
Bennett.
Grill smells good, don't it?
Oh yeah. Alright, bringing it over to the cutting board. Tell you what, it smells fabulous. Go ahead and we have one of our beautiful DALSTRONG chef's knives over here. Just bring it right over on the cutting board. I'm not sure exactly which way the grain runs in this thing. I'll figure it out really quick. We'll just go ahead and slice off the tip. Ooh. Very few knives you could use just with one hand like that, not even holding the meat. Right there. Some smoked tri-tip. I think it's about perfect. So like I said, guys, quick video tonight. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, please do it right over there for another great Backwoods Gourmet video. It's gonna be right up there. Our whole playlist of using that Weber Kettle Grill be right up there. We'll see you next time.